In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently fix Grammarly in Microsoft Word, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're an avid user of Grammarly or a newcomer looking to harness its robust proofreading capabilities, this guide is for you. Our journey starts with ensuring Grammarly is properly integrated, so let's dive right in and get your setup running smoothly. First up, we'll need to navigate to Microsoft Office Online. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Office website. Make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account to access all the features you'll need. If you're not yet signed in, go ahead and do that now. This will ensure you have access to Microsoft Word's online features, which we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open Microsoft Word. Find the Word icon on the dashboard of the Office Online suite. Click on it to begin. You'll notice that Word opens in a new tab or window depending on your browser settings, allowing you to seamlessly transition between your documents and other apps you are using. Now that you have Word open, it's time to create a new document. You'll see an option to open a blank document right there on the screen. Click on this option to start a fresh document where we'll be setting up Grammarly for your proofreading needs. A smooth start with a blank slate ensures there won't be any interference from old settings or add-ins. With our blank document ready, direct your attention to the Home menu at the top of the screen, which is your central hub for accessing all Word features. Click on the Home menu to reveal the options available. This is where we'll access the add-ins, an essential step to integrating Grammarly into your workflow. Now we need to locate the add-ins option, which is neatly tucked within that Home menu. The add-ins section is your gateway to extending Word's functionality by bringing in external applications like Grammarly. Click on add-ins and a new panel will appear. Within the add-ins section, type Grammarly into the search bar. You'll see Grammarly listed among the available options. This is where we bridge the gap, bringing Grammarly's robust grammar checks and suggestions right into your Word document. Finally, the last step is to click on Add next to Grammarly in the results. This will initiate the installation or activation process, seamlessly integrating Grammarly into your Word environment. Once added,